Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Spitzmiller here. I am ready to teach you a math lesson about subtracting tens. So we're going to learn about subtracting tens. We're going to start with a little video here to get us warmed up.
Subtract tens. Find 30 minus 20. Use 3 10 rods to show 30. To subtract 20, cross out 2 10 rods. That leaves 1 10 rod. 3 tens minus 2 tens equals 1 10. So 30 minus 20 is 10. Find 50 minus 10. Use 5 10 rods to show 50. To subtract 10, cross out 1 10 rod. That leaves 4 10 rods. 5 tens minus 1 10 equals 4 tens. So 50 minus 10 is 40. Now let's try this problem. Use 4 10 rods to show 40. To subtract 20, cross out 2 10 rods. That leaves 2 10 rods. 4 tens minus 2 tens equals 2 tens. 2 tens is 21s, so 40 minus 20 is 20. Here's another problem. Use 6 rods to show 60. To subtract 10, cross out 1 10 rod. That leaves 5 10 rods. 6 tens minus 1 10 equals 5 tens. 5 tens is 51s, so 60 minus 10 is 50.
Awesome. So that was a great video to get your minds thinking through this. Now, we have a workbook page here that we are going to be doing. It is called Subtract Tens. Now, on your work here, you have that you are going to be working on this Subtract Tens work page in your workbook. But we also have linked the manipulatives that you maybe remember using before break. So if you click on this manipulative website with me in a little bit, you're going to get a chance to do this. You will want to go to manipulatives and then click base 10 blocks. Again, you scroll down for manipulatives and then base 10 blocks. These will help you. We have a ones cube, a 10 rod, a flat here with 100, and then even it gets bigger. So what we're going to focus on is our groups of 10 to subtract tens, just like in the video. If I have a problem here, let's see, 3 tens, or what number is that total? 10, 20, 30. So if I have 30, and let's say I want to take away 10. How will I do that? Well, I know when we add 10, we bring one more. But with subtraction, we are taking away. So I'm going to cross it out. Now, when I count, I have left 10, 20. So my answer for 30 minus 10 is 20. Now this pen, you can tell my handwriting is a little messy. It's kind of hard to do. You don't have to worry about doing this part on your own. If you want, you can use these manipulatives with your math workbook to go with the problems and cross it out with this pen tool. So I go to the pen to write or the hand to grab. Okie dokie. So jumping back to our math workbook, this is our page that we're going to start with, page 479. It says, use manipulatives to model. Well, if you're thinking, I don't have any, you can draw it here or use the manipulative website. Alex put 40 lightning bugs in a jar. He let 20 of the lightning bugs go. How many bugs are left in the jar? Write the number. Draw the rods to show your work. Mark an X on the rods to show the bugs that were let go. So if Alex had 40, I'm going to clear off my page. I think I click the dump. Maybe not. Clear objects. Here we go. All right, that one worked. So if y'all saw this, clear objects. So Alex had 40 lightning bugs. We're going to pretend like these are lightning bugs. Ooh, well, let me make sure I'm counting what I'm doing. 10, 20, 30, 40. Good. And it said he let 20 go. He let 10, 20. Woo! What a nice guy. How many more lightning bugs does he have? Well, let's count our 10 rods left. 10, 20. So 40 take away 20 is 20. So you would go to your math workbook page and pick up your pencil and write 20 there. If you wanted to draw the rods, you can make it look just like the manipulative website there. Now, when you go to your next page, there's not a whole lot of room to draw it out. So that's a good time to either use your manipulative website or use an extra piece of paper so you can draw these 10 rods out. When you take away, you mark through with an X, okay? It talks about it in groups of tens, and then it has the whole number written. So 4 tens minus 2 tens equals, and you're going to write how many tens, and then you're going to finish it out. 40 minus 20 equals, and write your answer. I hope you guys do a great job. If you need help, draw it out. Use your manipulative website. You can do this. I am proud of all of your hard work. Keep working hard. Thank you, boys and girls.